Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are doing good. As we have previously started unit number 6, Heat and Light, today we will read the page number 44 and 45, and today our chapter will also get finished. So open your books in front of you with page number 44. The page I mentioned here. In this page we will read about uses of heat and light. There are different type of uses of heat and light which we use in our daily lives, which we will discuss now. The first use of heat is to cook food. As you all know that we use heat to cook food, and you have observed this in your kitchen when your mom cooked food. The next use of heat is to boil water. We use boiled water to make a cup of a tea so that it will taste good. Alright, so the next use is that heat is used to keep us warm. When it is cold outside, we use heat as in the form of electric heater. We use it or other heater to make us feel warm. Next, we will read about the uses of light. As the heat is important for us, same as goes for light. Light is also very important for us, and in our daily lives it plays an important role. Light help us to see in the dark, and it also help us to read in the dark. For example, if you are doing your homework at night, how you would be able to do the work? Obviously with the help of the light, because sunlight is only visible during the daytime, but if you're doing work at the night time, you are using light. So that's why light is very important. Okay, now this is the work that we have to do today. Fill in the blanks. Book page number 45. Dash is used to cook food. We can only read when there is dash. Dash makes us warm when we are cold, and plants cannot grow without dash. The answers are mentioned below. Heat is used to cook food. We can read only when there is light, and heat makes us warm when we are cold, and plants cannot grow without sunlight or light. You can use both of the options or any of them. The next work which we will have to do is from your workbook page number 20. The page is mentioned here. You will write either heat, light, none or both. Starting from the microwave. Microwave provides us heat. And next is chandler. Chandler provides us light. Next is bed. Bed provides us nothing. So we will write none. Next is fireplace. Fireplace provides us both heat and light. Next is torch. Torch provides us light. Table, none. Next we have toaster. Toaster provides us heat. Next is lamp. Lamp provides us light. And then we have chair. Chair provides us none. None means nothing, not heat, not light.
Been at home
Okay,
when
here
there
is a
was a
video
big
related to our
storm
topic.
and your
Just check it
lights went
out.
out? Or have you been in a room and suddenly someone turned off the light? What happened? How did you feel? You may have felt confused because you couldn't see anything around you. Light is something we need and use all the time. When it's not there, we realize how much we need it. Light is a form of energy. We cannot feel light. We can only see it. Light comes from both natural and man-made sources. Our natural source of light is the sun. The sun is a huge ball of gas. It gives off a lot of energy in the forms of light and heat. The sun is a star that is very far away from us. It's so far away that it takes about 8 minutes for its light to reach us here on Earth. Sunlight helps us to see everything around us during the day. It also provides the energy for everything on Earth. What is another natural source of light? The stars give off light too. They are like the sun, only much farther away. What about the moon? The moon gives no light of its own. It reflects the light of the sun, giving us some light at night when we don't see the sun's rays. Fire is also a source of light. Long ago, people used fire to see in the dark. They carried torches or candles. Let us now see some man-made sources of light. These days, most people use electric lights. An electric light bulb is made of a wire that glows when a current flows through it. It gets very hot, but because it's in a bulb with very little oxygen, it can't get hot enough to catch fire. Neon lights are a different kind of light. They are used a lot for signs. They're made from a gas that glows when electricity passes through it.
I hope you all
Laser
have
lights
enjoyed the
are
video and
thin,
learned about
powerful
heat and
beams of
light.
light.